I'm curious what the experience, just more, I guess, personally, of being in Europe for the first time was for you.
I think that it was a good moment in the very beginning to kind of embody my what I felt to be like my oppression. Like here I was all of a sudden in a place where I was or could feel more justifiably as a minority. I think that I gained some kind of gratification from that in in my early 20s. That like this was a new, more immediate sense of being Jewish, not based on like an engagement with Jewish texts or Jewish languages, but kind of trying to like the religious studies pioneer who actually ended up being a fascist, Mircea Eliade. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but he said that the whole impulse of religion is for man to become a contemporary with his own myths. So I wanted to become a contemporary with my own myths. So here I was, young Jewish American boy in Berlin and in Poland and in Serbia. It was really that about trying to feel a more immediate sense of Jewishness, if I'm to talk about it in a personal sense. A type of Jewishness that's inconceivable in, the suburban United States, that's much more abstract. But here, you could see the swastika being raised easily walking through, the streets of Berlin. That was the kind of image I had in my mind of what I was experiencing. But looking back on it, I was just having a really good time in Berlin. I mean, it was a great place to be. Yeah.